am at home alone. I'm a rockin' man. That was good. But the garbage got well. Hard to be the kind of place to raise your kids. Okay. In fact, it's cool and there's no one there to raise them. And if they did, and all this science, and I don't understand. You're lousy.
You're
It's
bad.
just my job, 5 days a week. I'm a fucking man. Fucking man. Oh, man. And I think I'm gonna be one time. I'll touch down, brings me around, can't be fun. I'm not the man that you got in a home when I was old. I'm a rockin' man. Rockin' man. And I think I'm gonna be one time. Till I touch down, brings me around, when you get mine. I'm not the man that you got in a home. And I think I'm gonna be a long, long time. And I think I'm gonna be a long, long time. And I think I'm gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Shut up. And I think I'll be I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, how many times I have to say this? And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. That was last time. That was last time. It was a long time.
Is that pretty funny?
Yeah.
We're not done yet.
Simon, Paula, and Randy.
Okay, here it is. I'm sure you have something to say.
I will never, ever be able to listen to that song again after that performance. Horrific. If I'm being honest, I found it completely below the quality that this competition demands. Hardly the most strenuous song in the world, but that was clearly far beyond your talents. Nowhere near good enough.
Randy Jackson.
I don't think you're a solo singer at all, man. I don't feel you're a solo singer. I don't think you have a solo singer's voice. To be honest with you, just keeping it real, if you can't do a good job on a song like that, you should probably try something easier. I didn't get it at all.
It wasn't a nice sound to hear. You just don't have a good singing voice. My instinct would be to try some easier songs, because this song just was not right for you. I didn't think much of it,